Hello and welcome, everyone. Let's look into this song of, or the dance of oneness, you could say, in this verse, Home. Not only in this verse, but even in this entire book, Footprints on Water Street, it simply illuminates the seeking energy and how it seeks to find fulfillment by apparently looking for it in this apparent bubbles, you could say, of money or name or fame or spirituality or the study of scriptures or enlightenment or liberation or home, wanting to belong. And this seeking energy, this verse and this book illuminates that this seeking energy is not real. It's simply an illusion. It has no existence. And its illusion cannot find, cannot know, cannot understand that is simply an illusion. It cannot find rest. The rest appears as restlessness. So the restlessness cannot find that, and illusion cannot find it. It's like um, rest cannot be brought by haste because there is no cause and effect. There is simply what is appearing as this immediate alive dance of nothingness or formlessness. So, this is what it illuminates. And this seeking energy, apparently, which appears, is not in time or in motion. There is no mechanism or process of seeking going on, or a seeker that can get rest or that can find something. The seeker or the seeking will never find the seeking energy. It will not find this. It will not experience this. It will not feel this. It will not recognize this. It will not realize this. It will not become one with it, unite with it, because it's simply an illusion. It's like, to give an analogy of water, say, water cannot find its wetness. It cannot understand it. It cannot know it, become it, unite with it, recognize it, realize it. It's simply water, wet water. And or water cannot even find fulfillment in its waves or ripples or bubbles or the foam, that it cannot, because it is water. So how can it find it, experience it, feel it, know it, understand it, become one with it, realize it, lose itself in it, get illuminated by it? No, it's simply that. Likewise, this it's simply an analogy. Likewise, formlessness alone is appearing as a seeking energy. It alone is energetically appearing as that seeking fulfillment in something called a home. In this particular verse, it's uh, an immigrant that seeks home, that seeks belonging. And so, what is home? And home is this: it's never lost and never found. It's not a place, it's not somewhere in time and space. It's simply this. It's this. It's never lost, it's never found. It is this nascent. This is it. This is home. So it cannot be found. Like this is water. Likewise. So the analogy of what I mean. So it cannot be found, it cannot be experienced. It's just the dance of formlessness as that seeking. This. And the illusion appears and this does not. It cannot die. There's no mechanism taking it further, or a process or a progress. And not only that, there is no mechanism behind it. There's nobody doing it. Neither has some entity set all of this in some motion or process or mechanism that apparently one day it'll disappear and everything will merge into. It's simply the dance of formlessness forming. What's appearing is simply, there is no other to know it. There's no one to know it. There's no one. It's simply this. So this is what the verse illuminates, that this is it. This is home. Never lost, never found. Thank you.